Dr. Shamsi, of course, this is also significant because these 11 countries that now comprise BRICS as of today, they make around more than half of the world's population, that is 3.7 billion population of the world reside in these 11 countries. In your view, how do you see that this group has evolved over time? Of course, since its inception, new countries have been included, and how significant this is going to be for global financial institutions?
We need to understand, whenever we are discussing a group or an alliance, we need to understand the basic purpose,
yes,
aims and objectives,
yes,
of that alliance.
Right.
It started off with 5 members, let us say 4 plus 1 by 2009. And what are the main pillars? Peace, security, cooperation, growth. Okay? So, growth is not possible, or development is not possible without peace, security and cooperation. Okay? So, in that sense, it was very significant that it evolves at a faster rate, and it had the support of the SCO that was already maturing during this period. The contest is now between China and America, or the US led G7 and China led BRICS and SCO. What we are going to see is, in next 50 years, not the economic turnaround, but a major change in geostrategy, geopolitics and geoeconomics.